Good day, sir. Here's my report about stability booklets. By the way, my name is Richard De Bazar. Section G to in. Question: what information is found in the stability booklet used on board ship? The information is found in the stability booklet used on board ship is general particular plans showing cargo, spaces, storerooms, and tanks, hydrostatic particular, hydrostatic curve, capacity and center of gravity, cross curves of stability particular, KN curves, date weight, scale, timetables, and cleaning experiment report. It contained the pre-calculated data and guideline that allow the ship crew to verify that the vessel stability criteria are met before leaves port and throughout its voyage. The central data point address is the metacentric height (GM), which is the key measure of a ship in the initial stability. Why is the booklet very important for seafarers? Kini nga booklet, importante kayo alang sa mga seafarer sa pagdokumento sa tanang gikan sa navigational data ug safety drill ngadto sa mga ekipto nga pagsusi ug adlaw-adlaw nga operasyon ug nagsilbi kini nga opisyal, legal ug giila sa tanan nga record sa ilang pagkatawo. Serbisyo sa dagat, kwalifikasyon o kasaysayan sa pagpanarbaho o pag-support compliance sa STCW requirements para sa kaluwan sa barko, tripulante og sa palibot, sir. That's all and thank you, sir.